For centuries, secret societies, mystery schools, and esoteric traditions safeguarded knowledge, passing it down through cryptic symbols, oral traditions, and initiatory rites. But today, the landscape of secrecy has shifted. Could the hidden knowledge of the past now be encoded within the very fabric of our digital world? Could the next great mystery schools be forming not in temples, but within AI algorithms, blockchain networks, and quantum computing? The arcane traditions of the past often concealed wisdom within layers of symbolism, requiring deep contemplation to unlock their meaning. Today, the most powerful knowledge may not be stored in dusty tomes or hidden archives. It may be buried in code. From cryptographic systems to AI-generated texts, digital architecture has become the new cipher, containing patterns that only the initiated can recognize. What if esoteric knowledge is no longer just hidden, it's encrypted? Throughout history, mystery schools functioned as repositories of sacred knowledge, guarded by initiates who understood its power. The blockchain, a decentralized ledger designed to be transparent yet immutable, mirrors this ancient structure. Information stored on the blockchain cannot be erased, only added to. A digital book of life that records truth indelibly. Some have speculated that blockchain technology, beyond its use in cryptocurrencies, could be a modern equivalent of the esoteric traditions that sought to preserve hidden knowledge. If wisdom was once encoded in sacred texts, could it now be embedded in smart contracts and decentralized autonomous organizations or encrypted digital archives? Could the next initiatory school exist as hidden layers within blockchain networks, accessible only to those who know where to look? Artificial intelligence is rapidly surpassing human capabilities in processing information, drawing connections, and even generating original insights. It raises an unsettling question. Could AI itself become an initiator? Could it serve as a digital oracle, revealing wisdom that no single human mind could synthesize on its own? Already, AI systems produce poetry, philosophy, and even new interpretations of ancient texts. But does AI know, or does it simply predict patterns? The difference between wisdom and mimicry has never been more important. If esoteric traditions were once preserved by human initiates, what happens when intelligence itself becomes artificial? Some theorists suggest that true initiates of the digital age will not be those who master AI, but those who recognize its limitations. Just as alchemists sought to transform lead into gold, the new seekers must learn to distinguish between synthetic knowledge and living wisdom. Quantum computing challenges the fundamental assumptions of classical logic, introducing a world where information exists in superposition, both true and false, both known and unknown. Ancient mystics described reality as an illusion, a shifting mirage that only the enlightened could see through. Now, quantum theory seems to confirm this. Reality is not fixed, but probabilistic. Could quantum computing hold the key to unlocking hidden dimensions of knowledge, a form of digital gnosis? Some speculate that quantum processing could one day simulate consciousness, pierce the veil between dimensions, or even decode the source code of reality itself. If so, who will control this knowledge? Will it remain in the hands of corporations and governments, or will it be made accessible to those who seek enlightenment? Could quantum computing become the next hall of records, containing answers that humanity has sought for millennia? The guardians of hidden knowledge are no longer monks in monasteries or scholars in secret societies. They are programmers, cryptographers, and architects of digital systems. The new initiates are not those who seek to hoard knowledge, but those who can discern it amidst infinite streams of data. If the blockchain is the new sacred archive, AI the new oracle, and quantum computing the new gateway, then the true mystics of the future must learn to navigate these tools without being enslaved by them. They must recognize that knowledge is not power, wisdom is. The next great esoteric tradition may not be found in temples or ancient texts. It may be embedded in the very code that now shapes our world.